जी लेफ्ट बनाना।
हाँ किधर से चालू करो?
लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट कीजिए। परा जी लेफ्ट में बनना। लेफ्ट बनना। परा में।
अभी बीच में। ओके थैंक यू। अभी रुको लोग आए नहीं है, सब लोग पंक्चुअल नहीं है।
Mr. Bakshi.
We do group picture later.
थैंक यू।
नहीं कुठे मारना। फिर
Yes, come home and just like a baby, not eating since 2 days, nothing at all. Organized people you have.
Go there. No, you Rakesh wants you, mom and dad, and dad, but not dad not coming. I mean, 1 second. Hello.
हेलो अरे
How are you?
तो हाथ चला गया।
पूरी फिल्म तो नहीं हुई अभी काम 15 दिन का काम पोलैंड में ऑफिस
But even he, when he started his career, his father was in no position to help him, and even got to. So I was always very keen that हमारे लिए तो किताबें हैं. I'm from a privileged family, and I couldn't believe it. I thought he's on weed. So I said, really? He's saying, yeah, I want to publish this book. And he said, what is this over here, Rakesh Anand Bakshi? You're Anand Bakshi's son or what? I said, yes, I am Anand Bakshi's son. I said, oh my God, again the question will start now. Do you write songs?
Good evening, everybody, and thank you all for coming here. I think I've told Rakesh before this that I think he gives me too much names together. What more could a book do? Thank you so much. Rakesh?
So I'll just call each director one by one on stage, and before I call them on stage, I'll just speak a little bit about them, and then ask them to speak on what.
Shantanu, call it coincidence, call it chance, call it destiny. We happen to be launching this very, very unique book with so many names from a place called Union Park. This was the Beverly Hills, which I grew up in as a child. The who's who of the golden age of Indian cinema was here. Farhan Saab, M. Sadiq Saab. This place which we are sitting down belonged to the great comedian Gop. It was his residence, and we as children used to stand outside to catch a glimpse of him. So this is an enchanted space from where this book is being launched. And I think nobody but you could have possibly performed an amazing feat like this to get so many names. As I keep on saying, the film industry is a place, it's an army of generals, and when you get so many directors, it's a miracle on a stage together. You know, when you were talking about how difficult you found to make your film, I was reminded of Frank Capra, the great American filmmaker. He said something in an interview which I think is something which should be written in gold. He said, you may know everything about writing, you may know everything about editing, you may know everything about acting, but if you cannot get a project together and see it roll, then forget it. That means you don't have it in you. There's something about the people who sit on this stage which we ourselves find very difficult to define, that what is it that made us float when so many talented people around us kind of drowned into the sea of oblivion. So when people ask me, I'm like that dog on a crowded street. Somehow I managed to cross the street. And at P-cards. So I cannot get onto a platform and give a speech of how to cross that street, because the reality that I lived through was quite different from what the world now. And if they think they're going to get something from my interview, just forget it. I mean, their reality is quite different from what I was dealing with and the stuff I was made of. But yes, I think the very fact that you brought the microphone to us made our discourse very genuine, very real, because we trust each other. We are insiders. We respect each other's wounds. We have affection for each other's frailties. We are fiercely competitive, but we know what it takes to get a film together. And I think being a film director is not an ordinary feat, because it is he who sits down day and night and puts that document together. And I think we have on this stage, Vishal, I have seen him struggle through his vulnerable times, and also saw him after he saw the peak, when he had a kind of a dip in his career, how uncertain he felt. And a word of encouragement, how it brought his confidence sky high. I have seen Subhashji battle the most difficult times in the recent past, and a man of his stature with such dignity handled it. I've seen Farah come like a simple dance director into such glory of her own, which is completely her own. I've seen Prakash, my friend, who has started from there, from the time when we began, and come to this kind of amazing height. So these people are not flukes. Abhishek I do not know much about, but I have heard about his unique perspective of cinema and life, and he himself is a survivor. So I think to be able to put the lives of these people together is no ordinary achievement. We're very proud of you, and it's only a son of Anand Bakshi who could have performed a great feat like this. So Mubarak ho, and congratulations to HarperCollins, and I think more will come, but I think it should, books on movies should have the tone and tenor of the insiders, because what you read about us is not us. I think Rakesh may just have succeeded in giving you a glimpse of what it is to be in this world where we manufacture dreams and lull you to sleep day in and day out. So wake up and recognize that we dream makers also bleed, also cry, also feel lonely. Thank you.
Thank you, Batsab.
First of all, my congratulations, Shantanu and Rakesh, for bringing out this brilliant book. Not because my picture is there. It is a pain of 12 journalists, as he said, wounded journalists who came up and sitting on the stage. But what they went through to become this, I think this is one of the finest book in terms of education. It is not only a book of some 12 great directors or cinema or film glamour. It is about the story of individual, and every individual went through so much pain, hard struggle. When I am sure whenever he was asking me, and before that I did not remember कि मेरे बचपन कैसे गुजरा, क्या हुआ, जब इसने पूछना शुरू किया तो मुझे खुद पे तरस आने लगा. ओ गॉड, तेरे साथ कैसे हुआ? and I started enjoying, pity. तो मैं तो enjoy करने लगा कि मैं ऐसा था. मैं एक टांगे वाले का भी दोस्त था. मैं एक दुकान के बाहर भी सोया था. मैं जब स्टूडियो में आया पहली बार इंडस्ट्री में, तो गुरुदत्त स्टूडियो के बाहर खड़ा रहा मैं डिप्लोमा लेके फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट का, और उसने कहा कि कहाँ जाना है. मैं बोला जी अंदर जाना है शूटिंग देखने के लिए, मैं इंस्टीट्यूट से आऊँ, ये गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का दिया हुआ मेरे को डिप्लोमा मिला है. तो उसने बोला किसी को पहचानते हो? तो मैंने बोला नहीं, मैं किसी को नहीं जानता हूँ, लेकिन मैं शूटिंग देखना चाहता हूँ. उसने दरवाज़ा बहुत आते हैं ऐसे सर्टिफिकेट लेके बंद कर दिया, और मैं घर आके रोने लगा कि मैं तो किसी को भी नहीं जानता, एक अकाउंटेंट को भी नहीं जानता मैं. ये तो कुछ ब्लेस्ड बच्चे हैं जो फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं सीखे थे। इनके पिताजी ने बहुत स्ट्रगल की थी, लाइजन फॉल देखा था। मेरे पास तो कोई भी बंदा नहीं था, एंड चारों तरफ अंधेरा था, और घर में ऐसा प्रॉब्लम था मेरे पिताजी का कि वापस नहीं आना बस अब। सो देयर वाज नो गो, देयर वाज नो सेकंड, प्लान बी था ही नहीं मेरे पास। इट वाज ओनली प्लान ए फॉर मी। सो जब ये मुझे कहानियाँ पूछने लगा तो मुझे अपने पे हंसी भी आए, और इसके बाद इसने मुझे बहुत दुख दिया कि मुझे अपनी बचपन याद दिला दिया। सो आई वुड से कि आई वॉज वेरी ऑनेस्ट, एंड वी ऑल वर वेरी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज समबडी कम्स यू एंड रियली grills you, your pain and your past, and you feel so gratified, you feel so blessed, and you feel thankful to the God that finally He has brought you here. But then again, you share these pains with the younger generation, coming generation. You don't worry, everybody has gone through this. अशोक जी बैठे तो इनके परदादा भी ऐसे गए होंगे, तब वो हिंदुजाज बने। अंबानीज भी गए हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं उनकी स्टोरीज हैं। So I keep telling students, I keep telling people, you must read biographies of the people, and particularly the initial part of their life, not the where they become politician after becoming success, greedy of money. Then एक दूसरी वॉर शुरू हो जाती है, तो इसने प्री वॉर की जो स्टोरी लिखी है सबकी, इसी वो बहुत खूबसूरत बुक है, I would say, and even some of the pages I have read, and I am more closer to all these directors now than I knew as a film director from my fraternity, क्योंकि हम एक दूसरे का दुख बांट सकते हैं और एक अच्छा विस्की का अच्छा सेशन रख सकते हैं और थोड़ी सी कहानी और बता भी सकते हैं। So this is a wonderful book. Congratulations, you have done it. You have done it a great contribution to the society. It's not only film; it's for the people who have gone through those bad period and made themselves whatever they are. My best wishes to you and the success of the book. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you for this evening. Actually, this evening is far more enjoyable than all the time we spent interviewing for the book. Because, and I must say, you are determined, you are persuasive, you knew what you wanted to do, and you followed your dream for writing this book. And I'm glad you did it. I'm glad you insisted and you persisted, which you continue to do. And thank you for taking up this task of publishing this book. As Bhatt Sahab has said, Subhash ji has said, we all have stories. And that's fantastic. For me, it's like it all just happened yesterday, and if I were to relive that story, I would love to do it. This is a beautiful city, Mumbai. I was in Ramjas College studying physics, and after about a year of studying physics, I realized there was no way I was going to become a civil servant, because I come from Bihar and a Brahmin family, and Bihar, you generally manufacture these IAS and IPS officers. And honestly speaking, I quit studying college because I thought if I become a graduate, they'll definitely put me into the UPSC exams and then definitely make an IAS out of me, which is what the family expected. तो भाग गया मैं वहां से। साल भर के बाद मैं भाग गया वहां से और मुंबई आ गया। और उसके बाद every single day in Mumbai till today has been exciting, enjoyable. Sometimes you do things which are appreciated. Sometimes you do things which do not get communicated, but it's okay. And remembering the time that we made the first film. I think it's a process we go through, and what Subhashji said, that you have it in you. Quite a lot of people come to me with stories and scripts, looking for producers, and I try and sort of like, gaze that if this guy really has it in him, whether I produce the film or not, he will make it. It's actually putting the project together. I don't know how that happens. I started as a documentary filmmaker. For about 6 years I made documentaries after my film institute. And I was dying to do a feature film. So I was writing scripts, I was submitting it to the NFDC, I was meeting people. And, things happened. I put it together. And, once the NFDC sort of like, became a little dysfunctional in late 80s, and we were all looking for a different route, and I wrote this story of Mrityudan. I came back and I was trying to make it in the ways that I used to make films like Damul or Parinati. And as luck would have it, I don't know how. I mean, Subhashji met me one day, and he just asked me casually, "क्या कर रहे हो आजकल?" मैंने कहा एक कहानी लिखी है मैंने, मृत्युदंड की। सुभाषजी याद है? So he heard the story. He called me to his house for breakfast. And he said, यार कहानी तो बहुत अच्छी है, बट तुम किसी स्टार के साथ बना। अब ये भाई साहब तो बड़े बड़े स्टार्स के साथ काम करते थे। We were art filmmakers. We had made Damul and Parinati. We didn't really know anybody. So I said, मैं नहीं जानता यार किसी को, किसको सुनाऊं? And as luck would have it, माधुरी दीक्षित को सुना दो कहानी। और एक खलनायक की शूटिंग चल रही थी। खलनायक की शूटिंग के बीच में वो चोली वाला गाना चल रहा था, और बीच बीच में वो आकर के, मैं बैठा था उसके कमरे में, वो कहानी सुन रही थी मृत्युदंड की। By the time
for sharing that, Rakesh. But I'll forgive you because he keeps calling me a girl, which is nice. I don't know why I was not answering you. It doesn't matter. I think most importantly, I never once asked you who are the other directors who are going to be in the book. But now that I see the book, I think it's an honor to be amongst people that I love, I respect, and I get inspired by. And some of them are legends. 2 of them sitting right next to me. But now I'm praising you. And I think it's great to be here. And I think most importantly about the book, I just praised you, I called you a legend, you were busy on the phone. I love Vishal, he's my neighbor and Gattu, I've choreographed his first movie. Let's not remind them what it was, Oof Ye Mohabbat. But Sab, of course, he's seen me grow up choreographing his songs, and Subhashji is my absolute favorite. I even copied his movie cards. I can say that now. And Prakash won't remember this. When I was struggling, I was supposed to choreograph a song for you. You were making a movie with Juhi Chawla and Jackie Shroff. And I was you remember? And I was so excited when the movie got shelved. And then I never got a chance to work with him. But I think, Rakesh, thank you. I don't know who this book inspires, but when we read the stories, it definitely inspires us. Because we are so in the moment and what is going to happen next, or abhi kaun si picture bana, and we forget why we wanted to make movies and why we wanted to do this. And this book reminds us of that passion and that, I think that, just the joy that we had of just putting the movie together. So I think for us it's more important than for anybody else. Thank you so much. One more thing I have to thank you that I think this was one of the first interviews where I was interviewed as a director and not as a woman director. So I want to thank you for that.
I mean, you know, Rakesh, I have still to meet a person like you. I don't understand how to contain you. Your energy and your love and the way you appreciate and give, it feels like you're taking something, but you're actually so generous with to put out a book like this and to have directors who put their lives into it, don't even get a chance to look back at what they've been through, and this is really very heartfelt, and I want to thank you for giving me the opportunity to be on this platform with these people who I love, admire, and have been quite a driving force, because in my short career so far, I always look at their work, and I always try to compare where do I stand, how will I fit, वो क्या कर रहे हैं, मुझे कैसे मौका मिलेगा, and thank you for having me here, and I'd like to wish you all the best for this book and many more to come, and I think you are actually a director. I just think you haven't decided what story you want to tell, and God save us when you do figure it out.
Excuse me.
बैठ जाओ जरा, बैठ जाओ।
ये आदित्य टेप खत्म, जीरो टेप, फ्रेश टेप है, एक बार चेक कर देना भैया। हमें जनता पे आगे लेनी है। How are you doing, my friend? सब ठीक है? तेरे को एक लड़की पूछ रही थी।
I would like to thank HarperCollins and have come here for this event. And if anybody has any questions to ask them, this is the moment, and please introduce yourself when you do.
My father was dead against. Dead against, you understand? When I say dead against. Even singing, even acting, all this nonsense. And I was hiding for 10 years from him. Then I am on the stage, dancing, acting, composing dances, and playing, playwrights. And after he wanted me to be chartered accountant, and I was put into a hostel. तो 4 साल के बाद मैं जब गोल्ड मेडल ड्रामा में लेकर आया, तो I used to stage plays. So जब मैं B.Com करके घर पहुंचा, तो उन्होंने मुझे अपने क्लिनिक में बुलाया और कहा कि तुम्हारी अपॉइंटमेंट एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के ऑफिस में रख दी है मैंने, तो वहाँ पर यू विल स्टार्ट एज ए आर्टिकल क्लर्क, एज ए accountant. And I knew that he did not know what I have inside. My mother knew about it. So I was practically dead that time. I said, I'm dead. Nothing can happen because my father was more of a Hitler, and in those days you were not allowed to discuss with fathers much. जो उन्होंने कह दिया वो कह दिया, ऐसा थिएटर, सुनो, ये खरीदेंगे. But credit goes to him. When he asked me, what do you want to be? Why you are sad? I said, I want to go to movies. मैंने बोला बोल ही दो, जान लगा. उन्होंने अपना ड्रॉअर खोला, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया निकाला और उसमें एक एप्लीकेशन एडवर्टाइजमेंट थी. उसमें लिखा था एप्लीकेशंस आर इनवाइटेड बाय द पूना फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर ऑल एस्पायरिंग एक्टर्स एंड डायरेक्टर्स. So if you want to go to the film industry, educate yourself first for 2 years and then go to the industry and struggle for 3 years. And if you don't become in 5 years, don't come back to me. And I was shocked. This was one of the biggest moments in my life when from being a chartered accountant, I was pushed to a training school and then I came here. That's the story you can read in the book.
Inspirational. Buy the book.
No, but still give the answer to this, na?
I think anybody who's made a movie in our industry is outstanding and inspirational. It takes a lot of papads to bail out. Whether you're man, woman, dog, animal, anything. If you get a movie released, hats off to you.
And one more thing, ma'am. One more thing. Can this male-dominated industry have gender equality in the future?
Which quality?
Gender equality.
Gender equality. If you stop asking questions like this, half the gender equality will come.
Okay, guys. So I think we get photographs. Anybody wants to do photographs? Come up. Yeah. I would like.
डायरेक्टर डायरी जो राकेश बख्शी ने लिखी है, ये फिल्म की किताब ही नहीं, एक एजुकेशनल बुक है। और ये खाली उन एस्पायरेंट्स के लिए नहीं जो फिल्मों में आना चाहते हैं, ये आम जनता के लिए भी है जो कि ज़िंदगी में कुछ बनना चाहते हैं। इसमें हर डायरेक्टर की पहली फिल्म से पहले जो संघर्ष था उसके बारे में लिखा है। और ये बहुत खूबसूरत बुक है जिसमें 12 डायरेक्टर्स की बिफोर बिकमिंग डायरेक्टर्स उनकी स्टोरीज को बयां किया गया है।
बुक के बारे में ना, हाँ मैंने बुक पढ़ी है। अभी सारे स्टोरीज नहीं पढ़ी है लेकिन 4-5 पढ़ी हैं। दे आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। आई वांट टू थैंक राकेश अगेन। जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, ये बुक सिर्फ उन लोगों के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है जो अपनी फिल्म बनाना चाहते हैं, ये इन लोगों के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट जो अपनी फिल्म बना चुके हैं। एंड इट रिमाइंड्स अस व्हाई वी वांटेड टू मेक दैट फर्स्ट मूवी, हाउ वी डिड इट। तो ये हमको भी इंस्पायर करती है ये किताब।
सिर्फ सानिया पे एक बायोपिक बनाने वाले थे मैम, उसके बारे में
नहीं, ये स्टोरी पता नहीं कहाँ से शुरू हुई है, लेकिन अभी ऐसे कोई प्लान्स है नहीं, बट अभी आपने आइडिया दे दिया तो मैं सोचूंगी।
थैंक यू।
हाँ जी,
One bite on Independence Day.
हाँ, ऑन इंडिपेंडेंस डे। व्हाट डू वांट मी टू से?
आप किस तरह से इंडिपेंडेंस
हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस। जिस हिसाब से हमारे सारे इंडिपेंडेंस छीने जा रहे हैं, आई होप वील स्टिल बी इंडिपेंडेंट बाय द टाइम 15th August comes.
Thank you.